Happy Battery Day. Yes, folks, today, February 18th, is National Battery Day. It marks the birthday of Alessandro Volta, the man who created the first battery in modern times. They actually have record of something that looks like a battery 2,000 years ago, but Volta, get it, Volt, electricity. He was the guy that started it. It was actually Edward Cruikshank 2 years later in 1802 that really developed how to make a battery that we could then use for mass marketing. But anyway, we give the credit to Volta. Batteries have been in use for about 50 to 60 years through in our personal lives. And you may ask, what does it have to do with real estate? It has just about everything to do with real estate. So much of what is in our homes is battery powered. And so we're taking this day to talk about the batteries, tell you a little bit about batteries, then how to dispose of them properly. Let's talk first of all about those that you see every day, the AA, the AAA, the C, and the D, the ones you use to power your remote, backups to your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. Those can be one of two things, and I didn't realize this till I did the research. Alkaline batteries, you've heard all the term alkaline. That's one kind. There's another kind called zinc carbon batteries. Those are a more affordable alternative to alkaline, and you'll see those marked as probably heavy duty or super heavy duty. And then, of course, the other kind is the lithium. Those are the high energy density. They power cameras, smoke detectors, some high-tech devices, and they can be cylindrical, rechargeable like the AA, AAA, CD, but they can also be coin-shaped, such as the CR2032, which goes in our watches, goes in our AirTags, etc. So you all know about how they're used. You'll see them in smart home devices, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. You need to keep extra batteries always around to power in case of emergencies, flashlights, radios, portable phone chargers. We use batteries too for electrical vehicles and home charging. We use lithium batteries for cordless power tools, use them in outdoor cameras, smart irrigation controllers, etc. So I encourage you to use today as a chance to think about batteries. What do you need to check? What do you need to replace? Let's make sure that everything's powered up as it should be. Let's also take a moment to talk about storage, fire safety, and disposal. Keep batteries in a cool, dry place and keep them away from flammable materials. Lithium batteries can, as you know, overheat and cause fires, so you don't want to keep a lithium battery on your pillow, etc. Now, when you dispose of them, never throw lithium-ion batteries in the trash. They can be fire hazards. Take them to a recycling center and put tape over the terminals to prevent short circuit. The alkaline and the zinc batteries, those can be thrown away because there's no fire hazard fear. However, then they do go into our landfills, so it really is better to recycle them. And as I mentioned, lithium always needs to be recycled. Note too that there may be rules in your condo association about disposing of batteries, so please check in with your HOA and figure out if there's something you should be doing special regarding batteries. All right, let's talk about recycling. In Chicago, there are a couple different places you can go to recycle your batteries. The first is the Household Chemicals and Computer Recycling Facility. That's on North Branch. Look in the comments section for the link to find out when it's open, because it's not open every day. The other thing, if you've got the alkaline, the AA, AAA batteries, those can be taken to Walgreens or Chicago Public Libraries, but I encourage you, call ahead, make sure they're open, and they do still take in batteries for recycling. I know there's a lot of information. I'm putting the resources in the comments below, so look at that, find out where is the closest place for you to take your batteries to recycle, and please have a very happy Battery Day.